Alright, we got the 2022 Papio. Just got the full exhaust in for it. Gonna install it and see how she sounds. Alright, we got the header on. Originally thought we had a problem here with it not mounting in the right location, but they have this bracket that'll kick it up. I'll pick you guys up here in a minute when I get it installed. Alright, about to finish tightening up this bracket here and we'll be all finished in that spring there. Just take her outside and see how she sounds. Alright, she's all finished up. Don't look too bad. I don't have the baffle in, so we're going to see what she sounds like without. Probably won't sound very good with the crappy camera. I got to get an actual camera. We're still going to give it a shot though. Alright, we're going to fire it up and see. We're going to put the baffle in and see how it sounds with that. That's a little loud. Alright, let's try this again with the baffle in.